teacher. And teacher. And teacher. And to your parents. Good afternoon, parents. Happy Father's Day. Can I get everyone to say I love my dad? Are we ready?